Bob's Heating and Air Conditioning is your Northwest indoor air quality specialist, providing quality heating and air conditioning services since 1957. Our bonded and insured company is affiliated with the Better Business Bureau, and our factory-trained and authorized technicians are ready to assist you. Our specialties include furnace and air conditioning repair and replacement, as well as AC compressors, AC parts, air cleaners, and more. We provide 24-hour emergency services, so call Bob's Heating and Air Conditioning at 1-800-840-3346.